Our word for today is pasong. Okay. Pasong. Pagkaon yan. Pasong. So, to write pasong in Sulat Sog, identify the consonants. First, we have pa, sa, nga. So, that's huruf pa, huruf sin, and huruf nga. Then, we write from right to left. We start with pa. So, pa in Bahasa Sog, in Sulat Sog, is written just like this. The fa in Arabic. This is equivalent to letter F in Arabic, but in Sulat Sog, it is equivalent to letter P. Okay? Then, its baris is A. Now, baris A is taas. So, we put the vowel above the consonant. So, that's pa. Then, next, we have su. So, su. We have the huruf sin. Sin is written like this. And then its vowel is u, which is dapan or damma. So damma is written like this. That is su. So pa, su. Then last we have the consonant nga. The nga here has no vowel sound. So we add the sukun or baris patay after. Pa di atas pa, sin dapan su. And lastly we have nga. And has no vowel sound, so we had that nga, muno pa nga, sung. So, pa, sung. Again, we write that like this. Pa di nga taas pa, sin dapan su, muno pa nga, sung. Pasung. And if we connect them, pa, sin, nga. Pa di nga taas pa, sin dapan su, muno pa nga, sung. Pasung. Subscribe for more.